guys, welcome back. I'm here to review the Ipsy August Glambag. I got a good glam bag, not gonna lie, from first sight. I only got 3 makeup products in it though. I got a hair care and a skincare, so I'm just gonna go over those at the end. But the first thing that I got is this eyeshadow from the Balm Cosmetics called Foiled Again. I dropped it. I love the Balm mainly because of their packaging. Their packaging is so cute. It's all 50s retro inspired and like really like kick-ass and girl power, and this one has like a female superhero on it, which is just so cool. The inside is just, it's called Foiled Again for a reason. It's in the shade Locked Up. And it is this gorgeous silver color. It looks like a quarter. It's I love it. But let me read what Ipsy has to say about it. Their first thing is about the packaging. Yes, it's so cute. Long lasting, so shiny, highly pigmented. Foil effect gives it a naturally wet look that's so sleek and shiny, but you can dampen your brush for an even more intense effect. We'll do that. Pretty silvery lilac shade and is cruelty free. So I'm gonna show you guys the whole eye look because I want to do a halo eye with this. I'm gonna do a really simple one because I got things to do today. I'm gonna start off by priming my eyes with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Probably better concealers to prime with, but I am out of those right now. So you work with what you got. I'm gonna set everything with, I don't have shade names. I don't feel like digging them out of the palette to do. It's a customizable palette. I'm just gonna be taking on a fluffy brush this light shade and I'm just going to put it all over my eye. Next, taking another fluffy brush, I'm gonna take this tan color and just work it into my crease and then on the outer and inner corner slightly. Next, taking a tapered brush, I'm going to go in with the darkest shade in this palette, which is just a dark brown, and I am going to put it into the inner and outer corner once again. And then taking a fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend that out. Because these colors kind of blend out into nothing, I'm just going to take the angled brush again and just kind of really work it in just to deepen it a little bit. And then taking my fluffy brush with just a little bit of that tan color, I'm going to just blend that out a little bit so it doesn't look all blocky and call it a day. Next, taking some concealer on a flat tip brush, I'm going to cut just in the middle to create the halo. So now taking this kind of flat but a little fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with the dark color just on the sides of that halo. Next, same brush, I'm going to take the tan color and just blend that in for a little bit more definition on the halo. Next, I'm going to take a flat tip brush, spray with a little bit of setting spray, and take Locked Up and just put that on the center of the lid. This looks stunning. I'm so excited. Do you see that? This is gorgeous. I am obsessed. Next, I'm just gonna pop on some fake lashes, because who can do a halo eye without fake lashes, and mascara, and move on to the next thing. So I ended up adding a little bit of eyeliner to my top eyes, but I really like the way that these came out. The next thing I have is this Pixie by Petra blush duo. I hate sparkly blushes. I always have. This one is very sparkly. It's in the color Peach Honey. Every time I get a sparkly blush, I ask them to never send me a sparkly blush again, and they never listen to me. So here we are. Why I'll love it. This pair of powders is made with light diffusing pigments for that instant radiance. It's packed with vitamin E to hydrate, soften, and nourish your skin. It's gonna be over a ton of shit. It's not gonna work. Very blendable, buttery soft, and goes on smooth. A light champagne and a shimmery peach for the shades. They can be used alone as a highlighter and a blush or together for an all-over glow. I'm going to go with separate just because I want to see how these work. Taking my Crown blush brush and just popping that onto the apples. Oh, it is super sparkly. Fuck. Hoping I could get away with it. I'm just going to dab it on. I hate sparkly blushes. Then I'm going to take my highlighter brush and do the champagne side. I'm just going to look like I'm wearing a lot of highlighter. And this doesn't really pop either. Maybe it'll look better when I'm in more sun. Oh, it will look better when I'm in more sun. I had to shut the curtains. Okay. Maybe I don't hate the highlighter side, but like the blush can choke. So my last product, which is the product I was most excited to try, is the Huda Beauty, oh, it's upside down, Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick. I've been wanting to try these forever. They're always on Instagram. I have never gotten a chance to try them because I just haven't bought one. I haven't felt like actually buying it. But the fact that it's like here, I'm really excited. And they have these in 3 different shades. My shade is Bombshell. This is a comfortable hydrating matte formula that stays put from breakfast until dinner. I'm going out to dinner. We will see about that. This formula is light, feels like you're wearing nothing, but gives you a long-lasting, transfer-free finish in shades to die for. Bombshell is a universally flattering pinkish nude that looks amazing on everyone at Ipsy who tried it. I am so excited. Let me put this on. I feel like it smells like something not most people would like, but it's a scent I do like, and I can't place it, but it's very familiar. It doesn't seem very pinky, but it is very nude. And it feels kind of oily and not super light. Like, it feels lightweight, but very oily. Okay, so it's dried down. Let's kiss test it. Not bad. Could be worse. Could be worse. It's definitely much more of a nude on me, but I like it a lot. I think it's a really flattering color. I guess it is universally flattering. Yeah, I like it. The other 2 products I got were some sheet masks. I'm not going to read off what they do. It doesn't really matter. I got a kale one and a blueberry one from Lab For You. I tried the kale one and I really, really liked it. I'm hoping the blueberry one works just as well. I also got this Way volume spray for my hair. I haven't used it yet just because I don't really blow dry my hair because I wash it, or I normally shower late at night. But I'm looking forward to trying it. Yeah, that is my Ipsy August 2018 review. This is probably the best bag I've had in a really long time from them. Sometimes I think we're canceling, but I really, really like this one. I was really excited, and now I get to go out looking fab. I will see you guys next time.